Welcome to this backyard transformation journey. What once was an open, empty grass area is now designed into a luxurious outdoor living space. As you can see, the original backyard had potential but lacked function, comfort, and character. Just grass and open space without any features to enjoy. At the heart of this design is a stunning swimming pool, complete with a raised spa. The pool not only creates a refreshing escape, but also adds beauty and elegance to the backyard. The raised spa offers a perfect spot for relaxation, with the sound of water enhancing the atmosphere. Adjacent to the pool, the spacious patio is designed with pavers, offering plenty of room for family gatherings, sun loungers, and outdoor dining. Comfortable seating areas provide space for both relaxation and entertainment. To add charm and shade, we included a wooden pergola structure. This creates a semi-covered lounge area, making it ideal for outdoor meals, morning coffee, or evening conversations. The pergola blends function and aesthetics seamlessly. This backyard transformation brings together luxury, comfort, and function. It's no longer just a yard, it's an outdoor retreat designed for living, relaxing, and entertaining. Thanks for watching and stepping into the world of plantscape rendering, where outdoor visions become vivid reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And for more stunning landscape designs and renderings,